Another week and another massive move higher in Bitcoin. At current levels, Bitcoin is up 170% year to date, almost doubling the performance of Ether, which is up an amazing 90% itself. Now, something very interesting happened during the futures open on Sunday night, December 3rd, and it may help explain the price action in Bitcoin. So after the market finally fully embraced the end of the Fed's hiking cycle and acknowledged the probability of coming eases, both gold and Bitcoin had major rallies in the early part of the trading session on Sunday the 3rd. Gold rallied $90 or 4.5%, and Bitcoin rallied $3,000, almost 7%. But here's where it gets more interesting. Gold quickly reversed course, leading many to believe that at least part of the ferocious rally was based on short covering. But Bitcoin retained most of its rally. Now, of course, the hardline Bitcoin advocates will claim that this represented a passing the torch from gold to Bitcoin as the premier hedge against lower rates and dollar weakness. But to be fair, the Bitcoin faithful often promote this type of narrative. Now, a couple variables are on the near-term horizon that could influence the price of Bitcoin. So at a recent speech, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said that the current level of interest rates was above neutral and somewhat restrictive. Now, if the CPI and PPI reports on December 12th and December 13th confirm a fall in inflation, perhaps that narrative will gather some steam and be a tailwind to many assets, including crypto. Now, a reminder that the CME Group now offers options on both micro Bitcoin and micro Ether futures, but we're going to be using the micro futures for these examples. Now, if a trader believes that Bitcoin could rally from here, they could express that by buying the December micro Bitcoin futures contract at 44,340 and targeting a move to the psychological level of 50,000. Now, a stop for this trade can be placed below at 41,000. Now, this trade can make $566 if the target is reached and risks $334 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that Bitcoin could drop from here, they could express that by selling the December micro Bitcoin futures contract at 44,340 and targeting a move to the mid-November lows of 35,000. Now, a stop for this trade can be placed above at 51,000. Now, this trade could make $934 if the target is reached and risk $666 if you're stopped out of your level.